Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. Production, collecting and collating your media. This is absolutely crucial for the success of your team. It doesn't make any difference how you store it. We've got two very big options. They're both as good as one another. They're both as fast as one another. One is OneDrive and one is Google Drive. You can sign in with your school account onto either and you can share it in exactly the same way. So when you shoot it, because you're going to have to collect it. So when you shoot it, let's say on your iPad or on your phone or whatever it is, your camera, you can go then straight into, say, Brave and upload that footage straight from your camera roll or wherever that footage is. As you saw before, I had the ripped B-roll and I can just go and put that straight into my folder. Generally though, you will then need to go and download it, and that is a very simple process of right-clicking and downloading that footage. So when you're here and you go and make your folder, just make a folder called filmmaking. I've given it a color and then I go and share it with my team. Same with Google Drive, go make a folder, go and share it, and there you have it. Now if I just switch my screens over to my browser, here I'm in Google Drive and here I've got my folder split, and it's the same on an iPad really and on Windows. You can split the two so you can have your folders over here and drag them straight in. So go and have your folder open like this, and here you can see I've got Hampden Park, which is this one here. This is on my computer, so you can see on my movies on my actual computer. I don't want it here in case, let's say, my computer breaks or something like that. But also I drag it in here, and this is shared with my team. The same with Google, same with OneDrive. So here I'm in filmmaking. There's one I just made right now, and it's got Hampden Park. They both do exactly the same job, and it also, when I just go and drag it in like this, I pick it up and drag it in there, it does the same job, and everybody's in here and they can all see the same thing. So once you collected it, you will then need to go and download it. And I say download it, that's because if this is me on my device, I can keep this, and if I'm the one that's filming and going to be, I won't be the one that's editing everything. There'll be some parts that you'll be editing and some parts that you won't be editing. And so those clips between each scene, if I'm in a team of 3, someone will be doing the beginning, I'll be doing the middle, and then someone else will be doing the end. All those 3 pieces will need to be published and then put into here. So all those pieces will need to be downloaded at some point so that you can go and edit all of them in one go. And that's relatively simple to do on both OneDrive and Google Drive. Here, you can just go and highlight it, and you can go and download it, and it will ask you if you want to go and download a copy. The same with Google Drive. Google Drive will do exactly the same thing with a right-click menu. Go and download. There we are. So then you can go and collect all the video that's in here if you're editing that particular part, or someone's going to collect you something. It's really super simple and fast and secure, which is more important. So making sure that it's secure for everyone in your team. That's it for collection and collation. One thing I would say that we will start to delve into is making sure that we have separate folders in here that are naming the bits and pieces of the parts of your story. But we'll come to that at another date. As always, good luck.